Century 21 Olympian agents are experienced to get you the best price available. Call 832-553-8300 to start now. Full service building in excellent location near the Tanglewood/Galleria area. Offering fantastic views from the 19th floor with an open floor plan designed for entertaining. Unit featuring spacious light-filled rooms, 2 beds/2 bath with 2 reserved garage car parking. Complete kitchen, both bathroom remodel, 2014, air conditioner replaced, 2015, washer dryer replaced, 2018, and recent carpet in both bedrooms. Included are all appliances and stackable washer dryer. Enjoy all the amenities offered at 651 Bering, swimming pool, 2 tennis courts, 24-hour concierge. Call to view today.